Hi everyone! Today we want to create these little waterfall notepads. I saw a tutorial on Heather Wilkerson's channel. I will link it down below and I will show you the whole creating process of these little notepads. But for now I want to show you how you can use them in your journal. Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkBuJo. This is my actual junk journal. I created by myself. I will link this video down below in the info box as well. And you can put these notepads into your journal, for example, into a pocket like this. You can put it the whole way into your pocket, or you can let hang it over a little bit. Or you can use maybe a page like this one, a whole page, full-sided page. And let me see, maybe you can do this. I'll show you in a little moment. So you can let it hang, you can hang the notepad over the page like this. Maybe I would reinforce them with a paper clip, so that the notepad cannot go anywhere when you're flipping through your journal, but you get the idea. You can use pockets you can use these kinds of pockets or tuck spots, and you can tuck the notepad in the pocket, maybe you have to reinforce again with a paper clip. Or you can use a big pocket like an envelope. I have an A4 size envelope right over here. I think this fits into, maybe the notepad has to be a little bit shorter so that it fits right into the pocket, but you can put it into your pocket, and then you have a hidden journaling space. You need some cardboard, for example, from food packaging. Then you need some papers of your choice. It can be pattern papers, scrapbooking papers, or tea-dyed papers. Just cut or rip them to the size of your cardboard. Glue your papers onto the cardboard, front and back, to cover it all over. After drying, I sewed around the edges because I like the look of it, but this is totally optional, and then I inked around the edges. Now for the papers. Use your pattern papers, tea-dyed papers and scrapbooking papers again to create your journaling space. I'm using mostly plain paper or with minimal patterns on it so that I can write on it easily. Then you cut or rip the papers to size. They should be the same width as your cardboard, and the papers should be all the same length but longer than your cardboard. The music sheets and pattern papers are just for adding more interest. Now you fold your papers like this. Make sure the first paper is the same length as the bottom of your cardboard, and then fold the overhanging paper over, as you can see here. Then fold the next paper a bit shorter than the first one and repeat this step with every paper. Now you have this wonderful waterfall effect. Staple your papers onto the cardboard and hide the staples with some fabric or lace and glue the fabric down. Set aside to dry and repeat with the next cardboard. Keep the scraps for other waterfall notepads, junk journaling cards or other projects. You can use fabric as well inside the waterfall notepad. You can't journal on it, but it just gives your project a bit more interest and structure. Please like this video and subscribe for more junk journaling videos.